Can we do it better?
Hello and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add hardware fittings to UnlockCivil. Let's get started. Open your Create New Product page. Under the General Information section, choose your category, Hardware Fittings. Enter your product name, 8-inch brass pipe handle. Choose your brand. If you don't happen to find your brand here, you can type in generic, Godrej Interior. Choose the warranty period of your product, 1 year. Specification section, choose your type, whether it is handle, lock, door closer, knobs, crack, magnetic catch. In our case, it would be handle. Choose the application, that is the doors, and material, whether it is stainless steel, brass, zinc or aluminium. Let us take brass and the size of your product. 8 inches. Variants and prices, choose your variant type, size, enter the variant value, 8 inches, and the minimum order quantity, which is the least your customers can order at the given offer price, and the unit of measurement, which would be set. The currency and price per unit for each product. 760, and after discounted price that would be 710. If you have another set of variants, you can click on Add Variant here. Choose your variant type, size, type in the inches, 6 inches, the minimum order quantity, unit of measurement, set, price per unit, and after discounted price. And moving on to the product description, this is what describes your product in detail so that the buyers have an idea of your product. The product description would be ideal for both interior and exterior doors. This brass full handle suits main entrances and so on. And the product keyword search, you can add up to 5 keywords here and make sure you press enter after each keyword. Brass handle, enter. Door handle, enter. 8 inches handle, enter. The product keyword search helps your buyer to look out for your product easily. Moving on to the product media, make sure you add clear and visible images. Click on Add Image, open your file, and that's it. Choose your second image, open. You can add up to 5 images here. Product data sheet, click on Add PDF. This helps your buyer understand the product more technically. Click on Open and click on Create Product. And your product is now live on UnlockCivil. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.